Alright guys, so we're at the Chevy store right now. I found a truck that's like the sickest truck ever, and I think I might pull the trigger, but we're gonna have some sick tow vehicle if I'm able to get this thing. Literally has all the mods like done already. I'll still do some stuff, but it's gonna be crazy. We won today, boys, we won. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you the new whip that's coming to the channel. Went to the dealership and we scored. Are you guys ready to see it? I'm ready to show it to you. Let's get it. Okay guys, so we are sitting in a Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Z71 package, 6.2 liter LS3 Silverado. This truck is so sick, guys. Like, I went to the dealer to go look for one 2 days ago. The one I was looking at, I ended up not liking. They brought me a few trucks I didn't like, and just the other day, I was driving by this dealership. In the corner of my eye, I see this truck sitting in like a big patch of grass in front of a dealership by itself. I went in, we got the deal done, we secured the vehicle, and this thing is so sick, guys. So look at the interior. Super clean, leather seats, Z71 package with the Bose stereo system. Let me turn this thing on for you guys. So this truck has the 6.2. It came with a boardless exhaust. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Sounds good, looks good. As you can tell, 13.6 average miles to the gallon. This thing is not gas friendly. It's pretty fast for a truck, I'm not gonna lie. This thing needs like some headers, E85, a tune, but I mean, we'll get to that a little bit later, but just check it out, guys. This thing is so sick. And if you guys don't know, I used to have a Silverado, and this one completely shits on it. 4-wheel drive. It has the trailer system, so I could tow. There's 4 high, 4 low, auto, and 2-wheel high. Oh man, you guys, this truck is just so sick. It has all these cool features also. Like, look at this. What truck has that? And then it has the speed charger for the trailer brakes. It's also got this outlet. A few things in here. This has got to be one of my. This has to be my dream truck. Just to throw this out there, have to throw the black cats on when we doing a review on the black truck. You guys already know how it is. My favorite color, black. Clothes and cars. As the outside of the truck, let's start off with the little stuff. It came with some rigid pods. I don't know if you guys know about these. These are pretty expensive online, I'm not gonna lie. They're super sick too, super sleek. I love the ones that are mounted right here with the hood latch. Let me turn them on real quick so you guys can see. They're actually really bright. It's got a little switch right there. Flip them on. Let's see. Oh shit. These are super sick in the desert too. They actually have yellow covers on them due to when you're in the dust in the desert, it's easier to see with the yellow covers than if you're using some bright other lights. And let's not forget about the wheels, guys. We have some 20-inch welds. Crazy. I had welds on my Q60. Now I have welds on my truck, and I had Mickey Thompson's. This is crazy. So we got some weld wheels with some Mickey Thompson 35 1250 by 20. Super nice wheel. I think it looks really good with the truck's fitting. Dark theme, super sleek. We have the Fox Performance Series coilovers with reservoir with BDS upper arms. Crazy suspension kit. It has the front ones. If you guys don't know, Raptors have those. This is the upgraded version of what the Raptors have. Previous owner put them on the car. And it also has the rear with the adjustable reservoirs. You guys can see it right there. Looking super sick how it's just hanging out there. Like, so you know what I mean? Like when you drive by and you see this thing on the road, you know that's there. had to pull up the truck a little bit so I could show you guys the exhaust. So this is the Borla. If I'm not wrong, it's the Attack series. Quad tip, super sick. So under the truck, you guys can kind of see how the system is. Super clean, has such a nice rumble. I'll get you guys a sound clip so you can hear it and some driving clips, but also super sick. The truck came with all the parking sensors, a bunch of tow hooks, Trail Boss, you know what it is. And then on top of it, it came with all the bed liner already done. Previous owner had it on. Disregard this trash bag. My dad forgot to take the trash out, so he decided to throw a trash bag in the back of the truck. But peep this, guys. Look how much room is in the back of this thing. And look how sick this is. There's a bunch of like little things about this truck. Like it has two side like cubbies for you to put stuff. It has the seats that go up with cubbies underneath. I got a yoga mat for my girl. And my backpack over there. Super sick. Like, this thing is crazy, guys. And in the rear, check it out. It's got the speed charger. Has a USB. Has another outlet right here. Just look at the presence of this truck, bro. Like, this truck just looks like angry, you know? These side steps I'm not a fan of. I am going to be taking them off and selling them if anybody's interested. I'm going to get the ones that when you open the door, they come out because they drop lower. Since I'm having a baby soon, I want it to be easier to put the baby in the back. So I'm going to get those. What else? Look how sick also the red accents with the tow hooks and everything. Just look at the front of this truck, guys. It looks so mean. Like, just so angry. All right, what's up, everybody? Sorry that I'm cutting the video short. If you guys don't know, I'm having a baby, and the baby came a little early. I was actually filming that video at Kaiser Permanente. I was waiting in the lot to pick up my girl, but she got in active labor, so perfect. We were at the hospital already, so I had to go home, pick up some stuff, bring it back. My baby was born. It was her birthday yesterday on 1/30, so thank God I got a healthy baby. She's super cute. I'll show you guys her in a little bit, maybe in the next video. Just trying to enjoy her, like, just for us before we start showing everybody our baby. Her name is Amaya. Amaya Amanda Mohamde is her full name. So I'm super excited. One of the big reasons that I bought this truck was because I'm having a baby and I couldn't put her in one of the BMWs. I could not put her in the Q60. So I needed to get something safe that I can have her safe in and that I'm comfortable in. And to be in like a higher truck, it's going to be a little hard to get her in and out, but to be in a higher truck where we're up higher than everybody in a bigger car, where something that she can be safe and I feel safe for her to have my family in, is one of the biggest reasons that I bought the truck. I'm going to make a part 2. I'm going to go take it off-roading. I'm going to go take it driving around. It might take me a few days to get the part 2 because we are going to be in the hospital for 2 days until the baby comes out. Now, I literally just left the hospital right now. I still have my band on because I had to go get some food for my girl because she's tired of hospital food, because hospital food sucks. So we're on the way for that. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So much content is going to come. I'm going to take it off-roading. We're going to take it shooting. We're going to tow the race cars to the track, so more track time. I'm not going to be worried about breaking the car on the track because I'm going to have a trailer, which is going to be great. I'm just super excited. 1, to be a parent. 2, to be able to do all the stuff that I'm doing and be able to put out content for you guys, work, make money, make videos, have fun cars, just enjoying life. And this is going to be a new step for the channel and for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much coming to this channel. It's taken a while to grow the channel, but you know, I'm cool with the process. It takes forever. I don't really care about growing it. I honestly make the videos for my personal view, I guess. Like, I just like seeing my videos and me building cars and stuff like that. I always rewatch my videos, so I really enjoy it. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to the hospital, get them some food. And thank you guys. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day.